Hey lovely people, it's Anthony and Marnus here. Let's dive straight into another market review and see what's happening in our property market this week. There's been lots going on, especially with the recent RBA meeting, and it's got everyone talking.
That's right, Anthony. The big news last week was that timed means inflation ticked down slightly from 4% in March to 3.9% in June. It might not sound like much, but the banks were quick to celebrate. Commonwealth Bank and Westpac are even predicting we might see a cash rate cut in November. What do you make of that, Anthony?
Interesting. So I'm all for it, Marnus. It's a rate cut would be music to my ears and a lot of people's ears, to be honest. Especially with the way that the market's been behaving lately. But here's the twist. RBA Governor Michelle Bullock just poured some cold water on those hopes. She made it clear that no rate cuts are on the horizon this year, which caught a lot of people off guard.
No kidding, and it's not just us who were surprised. The market have raised eyebrows, cautioning the RBA stance. They are saying there's no solid evidence that the economy is overheating. So who knows how this will all pay out in the coming months.
It's an interesting time, isn't it there, Marnus? So at the moment, while we're waiting to see what happens, let's also not forget that in our own backyard here in Sydney, according to the latest results from the SQM research, asking prices have slipped by 1.3% since July. We're seeing auction clearance rates stuck around that 50% mark. The market feels like it's holding its breath, just waiting for some good news on the interest rates.
That's so true, Anthony. A crash rate cut would be a real boost, especially as we head into the spring selling season. Listings are starting to pick up, and if the rate shift, we could be in for a very busy spring.
Absolutely, Marnus. So if you're thinking about making a move, now's the time to start planning. We've got some incredible properties open for inspection this weekend. We're here to help you navigate whatever comes next in the market. Come check some out this weekend in the Upper North Shore.
Couldn't have said it better myself, Anthony. Stay tuned, Sydney, and let's keep an eye on how this all unfolds. We will be back next week with more updates. Until then, come visit us at our open homes this weekend. Anthony, call them.
Look forward to seeing you there. Let's come have some fun this weekend.